What if I told you a volcanic eruption changed the world? Let's explore the year without summer. In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted, the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. Ash and gas spread, blocking sunlight. 1816 became the year without summer. Temperatures plummeted, crops failed, and famine spread worldwide. The eruption triggered bizarre weather, snow in June, freezing temps in July. It inspired art and literature too. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was born from these dark times. A single eruption changed climate and history. Could it happen again? Let us know in the comments.